Hey, what's going on, guys? Long time since I've done a video. Well, it's been a very busy month and a half for me. I just got married. I really didn't tell anyone on YouTube land, and been really busy with that all year. Finally happened late August, and in addition to that, went on my honeymoon to Italy and got back. Been working like a dog. Got sick. My wife was also sick, so it's been really crazy the past month and a half. And following the markets, well, I do still follow the markets and do trade. But what I have noticed is that the VIX did spike up. I did expect the VIX to go crazy this year. This was the year of volatility, and it did come back. But then volatility has been crashing down back to the 15 handle. It's less than 16, which was quite interesting because right before I did my last video, or last few videos, it was close to 15, 16, and then it went up to 40 or something ridiculous like that. Went back down. But the theme for the next few years, I do expect volatility to continue, and the reason is we're closer to the end of the business cycle when you have that, and also closer to the end of the presidential cycle. When you have that, yeah, volatility is going to rise. Now, when it comes to the stock market, right, I've been on the fence about the market because it's in my opinion that sovereign bonds are in a bubble. I mean, everything's in a bubble, but what's the biggest bubble? Sovereign bonds. Like in Europe, if you look at bonds in the United States, like the muni bonds, I think those are going to blow up. When those blow up, now you have to ask yourself, where's this liquidity going to come from? Or where's this liquidity going to go? It may go into the stock market, but before it goes to the stock market, you may see that market go down. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market goes down to 11,700, but who knows, with central banks being irresponsible as they are, it may not even get to that level. But in the short term right now, looking at all these technical analysts, they've been looking at the carry trade, like the yen, right? That currency is responsible for providing liquidity to the markets, especially in the United States. When the carry trade is about to unwind, meaning that currency is going to appreciate and get stronger, that's when risk usually comes off. And I've been seeing some technical analysts saying that, hey, you know what? The yen may be going up. The yen's going to go up, strengthen. Where's the liquidity going to come from, right? Okay, yes, the United States, they're not raising rates as of this month, not next month, maybe December, who knows? They have to look at the data. So if the United States is not providing liquidity, and if the Japanese are going to face an unwinding of the carry trade in the short term, what's going to happen to the market? It may just go down, right? But you have to remember, with all these crazy central banks, who knows what could end up happening. In regards to other currencies, look at the euro, right? I've been talking about the euro going closer to parity. May not happen this year, not next year either, or maybe 2017. Don't know about the date. But once again, the problems remain the same, but it's not talked about right now because everyone's focusing on the Federal Reserve and the potential of not raising rates until 2016. They still have the problems in Greece. They still have the problems in Italy. I was there. They still have the problems in Portugal. You name it. So in the short term, no one's focusing on that. But once people start focusing on Europe again, the euro is going to go back down, in my opinion. But in the short term right now, I did buy some options just out of the money, just in case the euro does go back up, meaning that the dollar goes down. I've been shorting the euro ever since this year. And now I'm a bit on the fence right now for the short term because everyone's focusing on the Federal Reserve. So on that point, who knows? I'm a bit iffy shorting the euro, but still believe long term, next year, year and a half, that will continue to be the trade. But anyways, guys, what do you think about the markets right now? Where do you see this Dow heading? Where do you see the euro heading, yen, etc., gold? Right, gold is really interesting right now because the Federal Reserve is not raising rates. So you've seen, number one, gold rally, but also you could look at the fact that the carry trade's unwinding as well, so gold's going up. Usually when you see an unwinding of the carry trade, gold has gone up with that. But anyways, guys, leave your thoughts below. It's going to be a short video. Hopefully to do some more videos in the next few weeks. Hopefully I'll get better and can focus on studying the markets. Anyways, thanks for listening. Talk to you later. Bye.